California Correctional Officer Test, or CDCR. The CDCR is one of the very first tests you will have to take when you are applying to become a correctional officer. It will assess you on many different skills that will be necessary to have for this position. You will be judged based on your math skills, situational judgment and rules, and written comprehension and English skills. The CDCR exam is a multiple choice cognitive test that evaluates your skill level in grammar, spelling, punctuation, applying rules and information, and basic mathematics. So failing in the CDCR written examination delays your application for at least 3 months. So getting the required passing score of 70% or higher is critical. It includes 53 questions and takes 1 hour and 45 minutes to complete, or about 2 minutes per question. This was all. Thanks for watching.